Hi. Welcome to the 1-minute tutorial. Today we're going to create this. Create 2 circles with ellipse tool. Make a square with rectangle tool. Arrange the position of circles with square. Select shape builder tool and create shape. After creating heart shape, fill the shape with red color. Divide the heart shape and apply dark red color to right side. Duplicate the right shape. Convert it to stroke, and apply white fill color. Select the shape, duplicate it. Make it one shape. Convert to stroke. Apply black stroke color. Place the black stroke to the back of the shape. Thank you for watching. Please like, comments, and subscribe.